This is Snap Circuits Junior. Okay, you can build over 100 electronic projects. Okay, it has 30 parts. This is called the flying saucer. Okay, right there. Look, flies up in the air. That's pretty cool. Whoa! Look at all that, guys. Look at all that. Okay. Wow, that's cool. Okay, now let's put the pieces that we know we're gonna need some of these pieces, right? Let's get our plans.
I need one from...
Oh, look. Oh. You wanna see this? This is music. This says music, right?
Music for me.
That's a speaker.
I want music.
And this is the alarm. You want the music? Okay, hold the music. Don't mess it up. Okay. This is the batteries. We know we need the batteries, right?
Where's the batteries?
I have batteries. Don't worry. Don't worry. Hold on. All right.
What's this?
So look, this is our circuit board.
Music.
This is like inside of a computer, guys. If you look inside that computer,
We made that.
there's a board, guys. There's a motherboard, they call it, right? And it's got a board, and you have things like the power, you have fans, you have the processors.
Hello.
All right, look. These are all the different pieces that we have. Okay, and project 11 is the one we're looking for. Project 1. We could do a light switch. That's easy. Let's do the lamp. Okay, so we have this. Here, give me one of these. I think it pulls off. I think like Legos. Here, like this. Watch. Watch. Look, Mom. Here. See?
Oh.
Okay, so look, we have a 3. Come put the 3 for me. Okay, put it here. Put that down. Pop it on like a Lego. Like this. Middle. See how it goes on? Like that. See, guys? Yeah? Alright, so we've got that. Then, where's the... Okay, the battery. It snaps on. So the cool thing about this, it's kind of like Legos, and we can take these on and off, okay? See? See? Okay, good. There, it's on there. See how we're making it like this? This is the plan. Is that S1? Yes, slot S1. Do you see the S1 on there? Can we get that? We need that for this, okay? Put it on like that. Snap it on there. There, cool. All right. Now we need the lamp socket. That is, does everyone see L1 lamp socket? Oh, yes. Thank you, Rye. Good job. Thank you, Mom, for helping too. Okay, look, here it has a little lamp. See? Go ahead, push it on. There you go. Cool. Okay, look.
Then you just switch it on.
Switch it on. Ta-da! Let me try it. See, we did that. Let's check off project 1. Okay? Good. There you go. Okay. It's like electricity. All right, project 2. So everything on project 2 is the same. Can you get me the, what is this one? M1? Is this the motor? It's got to be the motor, right? What is it?
M1. M1.
Okay, motor 1. Okay, good. All right, and it wants to be with the plus on this side. See, it's showing us there. So make sure you put it the right way, because you know what? It might go backwards. You want to press it? You want to press this side, Joe? Okay, let's see. Put this on. Let's turn it on. You want to turn it on, Joe?
Yeah.
We can all take a turn.
Take.
That's not the. Whoa. Whoa.
I thought it spins in the air.
That's there's a different one for that.
I thought it
Goes
spins
fast.
in-
Yeah, that's a different.
it, like,
I know it does. It's a different one.
pushes the air.
That's a different one. I think we switched the
do
motor.
this
You want to try to use that push button switch? I bet we can. Watch. Okay, so mark this one, Molly. We'll take the. Oops, sorry, Mom. We'll take the S1 off and put the S2 on. Thank you, Mom. Okay. Oh, here. Let me take that out of the way. There you go.
Do that.
Thank you.
Now let's do.
Okay, put that on. Okay, press the switch. It works. It works, right? Oh, only when you have the switch down. Ah.
You gotta hold it. Can I try? I want to try.
See?
So
We made
it's
our
like-
own. We
it's
can
like
make
a
our own thing,
fan.
right? Yeah, it does feel like a fan. You try it, Molly. Press the button. Push it.
Oh, that's
And let go. Let go. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool?
Yeah,
We
that's
did
cool.
that. All right. So flying saucer, okay? So we almost had flying saucer set up anyway. You know what it is? It was what I was thinking. We gotta change. See where the plus is? So the plus right there is there, right? Look. Nope, stop. So we gotta switch it. Press it.
I want to try to go up in the air and record.
Okay. Good, press it. Okay, okay. Whoa!
Nah.
Woo! We made our own. All right. We made our own. We made our own thing because in the directions it wants you to use the switch, but this is fun because you press the button, right, Joe? Okay, press it.
Now let go.
Come on, let go. Woo!
Try
That flies really good. Get it, get it, get it. Okay, yeah. That's good. So what else can we?
Do it, Bubba. Do it again. I want to try to do it
Gentle.
higher. Let's see, try to do it higher than the thing.
Hold on. Yeah, let it get revved up and then. Whoa!
Let's see. Try to beat it. Try to get it to the wall.
Reach the fan. Ryan, careful, careful, gentle. Okay, gentle. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Boom.
Oh,
Whoa, that was a good one. Okay, let Molly have a turn. Can we try the switch one time? We want to see if it goes higher. Right? Let's see if it goes higher with the switch.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, try it, Molly. Turn it on. Let's see.
Now-
Just let it go, just let it go. What if you turn it off? Whoa, it almost made it. That was cool, yay.
Now let go. Wait, now let go.
Woo. What do you think?
Catch it. Can I try? Did I try?
Yeah, let's, okay, go ahead. I want,
1, 2, 3, go!
whoa, okay. Ready? Launch. Woo. Make that one. Okay, good job. Got that one.